these yummy cookies looking so beautiful and so colorful.
Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very easy and delicious hanging cookies. These are sprinkled cookies and those are very transparent and very beautiful cookies. So let's get started and see the recipe.
So first take a bowl and now I'm going to add the all-purpose flour, 2 cups in it. Now I'm going to add cornstarch 1/4 cup, and this actually let those sugar cookies hold their shape so they don't spread out. Now add salt 1/8 teaspoon, and now I'm gonna give a good mix, so just to make sure that everything incorporated nicely, and then set aside. Now take another bowl and add unsalted butter, which is 1/2 cup, and at the room temperature soft. Now cream it up till it becomes fluffy, soft. Yeah. Now add sugar in it, 2/3 cup, and let it get a nice and fluffy. Alright, now scrape the ball down. Love this color. Now it's a time to add 1 egg. So, I have added only 1 egg, but it's completely optional. Now whisk it again. Now add vanilla essence. I've added 1 teaspoon. You can add more if you want. Now whisk it again. Now it's the time to add the dry ingredients in it and mix it up and knead the dough into a big ball. Once the dough is ready, cover it using the plastic roll and leave it to rest for around 30 minutes in the fridge. Yeah, you can just, flatten up a little bit like this. After 30 minutes, I brought my dough out of the fridge and it needs to warm up just a little bit so I can roll it out easily. Remove the plastic foil from it. So in the meantime, let's smash some candies. So here I have some fizzy candies. You can use whatever you would like. They will look nice when we carefully put them in the center of the cookies. So these melt in the oven, so it will be perfect. So I already smashed them. So I have orange candy, darker green, and the yellow one. These candies I have already. Now back to the dough. So sprinkle out some flour on it, like both sides preferably. Now roll it out from all the sides. Don't make it so thin. So just like a thick flat. Now we are ready to cut our shapes out. You can choose any cookie cutters that you have never used before. So you just need to put them together into the combinations. Like I have a big star and I have a little star is gonna go inside. Yeah, like that. So you just need a small shape in the middle and the bigger shape on the outside. So like I have the circle, then in the center I have different shape. So now remove the excess dough from it. So here I have made several cookies, and now we need to poke a hole in here like that with the help of straw, or you can use the wooden small stick as well. So why we are doing it? Because we want to make a hanging ornaments like this, you know, like take a straw and just poke it like that. Yes, and yeah, so it makes a hole in the center. Here is the fun part. Now we are going to fill those gaps in with the smash candies, just like in real life. Carefully spoon into the center, and just make sure you don't get any candy on, you know, on the actually cookie. It has to go inside. Yeah, like that. Now the yellow one, it's lemon. It has a lemon flavor. Now the orange one, it has the orange flavor. It's actually yummy. Now we have all the cookies ready. Now I'm going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. And yes, keep an eye on them. These just came out from the oven and they have to cool down completely before you try and lift them off. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. Look at that. It comes out beautifully. Look at that. You can see the light through it. It's like a magical Christmas ornament. You can use this cookie like this, or you can hang these cookies on your actual tree or your Christmas tree. Like that. See? Beautiful. Here I have all the cookies and I have put on my small Christmas tree. These cookies are really good in taste and have some magic of candies in it. Beautiful.
Now you know how to make this beautiful stained glass cookies. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. See you next time. Bye bye.